exploring this side menu over here in our app a little bit more. I already showed the bookmarks here. Excuse me. You can load, view the pictures here. And then one other thing to show. Actually, apparently I deleted the bookmark. The picture thumbnails down here, if you press on them, you can delete the images from the database. Also, if you have more than 3 or 4 images that'll show up on the screen, you can scroll through them to view all of the images that you've added to each bookmark. And also it has a last visited tag here. So if you were to return to this bookmark at a later point, even if it's not during a trip, it would update the last time that you were here. And then going through trip history, this is the list of the trips that I have taken on this phone. You can see the one on top here was a short trip of about a minute. Apparently I walk at around 4.5 kilometers an hour. The map up top would show the red line that shows the course of the trip, but currently that is not implemented right now. Also, if you long press on a trip, you can delete it. Just go ahead and delete that one. You can do the same thing for the bookmarks if you wish. You can go ahead and just delete one of them there. All right, going back, we have a settings menu. I'll just explain the first couple here because the ones at the bottom are not set up. But you have the ability to switch back and forth between metric and imperial units. So if you want it to be in miles instead of kilometers, you can toggle that. And then also you have the ability to change the poll frequency, which controls how often it checks your location and records it. So if for some reason you are out hiking in the woods or walking around doing something particularly slow, your location doesn't update very often, so you might want to choose something a little bit less frequent. But if you are moving quickly, you would want to check your location more often so that the course is a little bit more accurate. And then just below that, we have a backup button so that you can create a backup of the database from the app. Say if you need to move to a new phone, or you want to share all of your data with a friend or something like that, you'd be able to create a backup, and then you could send the file to somebody else with the app and they'd be able to view it. And then manage backups is where you would restore from a backup, or if you want to delete the backups that you have currently made. And then, of course, we have the exit button that closes the app.